Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. Wondershare Filmora Mobile app is loaded with lots of resources, like stickers, effects, transitions, text templates, and so on, with which you can get creative, find the perfect assets for the videos you want to make from your imagination. Video effects are the most interesting and versatile assets in the Filmora Mobile app. Most of these effects are smart, powered by AI, to get that pro-level video effects. Some are motion-driven, for creative animations. And there are so many types of effects available. I love body effects, which basically detects the portraits and add effects along the edges. Audio-driven effects are applied matching the beat cuts of the music, perfect for music videos. With filters, get professional color grading with a single tap. These filters are carefully crafted to give that cinematic look to your videos. You will find filters for all kinds of video themes. A great transition can significantly change the vibe of the video, so browse through the big library of transition assets. There are cinematic transitions you may find useful. Even VFX transition effects can elevate your videos to a new level. I will now give a live demo on how to use these resources in your video projects. I have added some photos and music in the timeline. Firstly, let's visit the effects library. You may find the trending ones usable as these are the most popular effects by users. For this project, love theme effects are just perfect. I will set the effect applicable to the whole duration of the video. There are other effects categories that you can scroll and preview. You can even add snowfall-like effects. Next, we have filters. Again, trending ones are mostly great. You can browse through vibe and film-themed filters. Compare before and after. Change the percentage of the filter, and apply to all, if you want to. Now, we will add transitions. Basic ones like fade, dissolve are always welcome. For today's video, you can search for love-themed transitions and apply them, one by one. All the transitions I have applied are from here. Change the duration of the transitions as you may please. This is how you make the best use of the vast resources in the Filmora app and create stunning visuals. Try it today! Happy creating!